Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Signature, and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or a comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option display. Then let's scroll down and localize the Nightlight, and if you wish to only turn it on without the customization, just tap on the switcher here. And now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Then in order to customize it, we have to tap on the Nightlight itself, and here we've got this intensity switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, it is almost invisible, and by going to the right, warmer, it's more amber. Here we can also schedule that feature. The none option is manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. You can also turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is the manual customization of the Nightlight, and if you wish to have much faster access to this feature, all you have to do is to unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to find all of those toggles here, and now we have to swipe and find the Nightlight. So here we've got the Nightlight, so just tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.